What's up, guys? Hope y'all are having a good day. Right now we are on the road to somewhere, and it's to pick up a little something that you guys are going to be seeing in some future videos. If you can guess what that is, drop it in the comments down below. We're heading down to a small town in south central Kentucky called Smith's Grove. I don't know if any of you guys have heard about that or not, that town or not, but it's very small. Literally, if you blink, you can miss it. And they have a gun store there that we're going to be visiting. Was actually on the phone with the guy last night, and he has something that I've been looking for, so we're going to go over and see about picking it up, and going to bring you guys along with me. I'm not sure how much filming that I'm actually going to do inside the store. I don't know how that would work out, but we'll see. And anyways, guys, just comment with us, enjoy the day, and let me know what you think we're getting down in the comments. I'm not going to reveal it in this video, but it is just a little bit of a teaser for what we're going to be doing. So come with us. While we're on the road, I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk with you all about what I typically do before deciding to buy a new firearm. And one thing that I would encourage everyone to do is actually go out, do your research, look up not just the positive reviews about something that you're wanting, also look up the negative reviews. You can learn a lot from that. If you are going to have a potential problem with something that you're going to spend a lot of money on, then you may not want to get it. And if you got a lot more negative reviews about something, or if there's a potential issue with a gun that you're looking at, and a lot of people talk about it, that's something that can make you a little more aware and kind of help make you, give you a little bit more information of whether or not you want to spend your money on something. Because let's face it, folks, guns can be expensive. And you don't want to go out and spend a lot of money on something that's not going to be reliable and that you're not going to enjoy shooting. So before I went to get this particular firearm, and it's why I didn't go ahead and pick it up the other day when I actually come through here before, it was because I really didn't know much about it. I knew it was something that had been on the market only a brief time, and I wanted to make sure before I spent that kind of money that it's going to be something that is reliable, because this is a type of firearm that you're going to have to stick around to see what it is. It's a type of firearm that can have issues. From certain manufacturers, these guns have been shown to not be the most reliable. I think they've gotten better in recent years. But it is something that if you're not cautious, you can get something that is not worth your investment. And that's what I wanted to do. So after doing a bit of research on the firearm and, talking to the gun shop down here, they still have one in stock. I decided to go ahead and get it. And that's why today's road trip is there. And I know that this is just a little bit of a different video, guys, than what you typically see on here, but just thought I would mix it up a bit, give you guys a little bit of a perspective on that. But let me know down in the comments also what you think the gun is and what you think, what are some of your steps are for buying a gun, before you spend that money. But as of right now, I'm going to get back to driving. So just sit back, enjoy the ride. It's going to be a lot faster for you than it is for me, but it's just part of the journey, part of the fun. Okay guys, we are about to get off the interstate. And again, if you are not paying attention, you will miss exactly where this town is. Okay guys, we're here in the parking lot. We're getting ready to go in and pick it up. I'm gonna see if I can show you around a bit, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to. But anyways, let's go. What's your price on those? Carbine. Look here. Also got a range here as well. And don't bring your daughter with you and let her see this kind of coloration, this kind of camo pattern that she absolutely has to have on everything. And they got some hardware. There's your cowboy action. Also got a lot of archery stuff in here as well. Okay guys, I want to thank the folks down at Smith's Grove Guns. If you are ever out this way, if you're coming down I-65, you get to Warren County, you know, look for the signs, pull in here, check them out, and you won't be disappointed. But they got a lot of stuff in there, guys. So now we're going to take my little new addition to the family home, and you're going to see an unboxing video in an upcoming video. Actually, one of the guys in there, they've watched some of the videos that I've done. They're a follower of the channel, so thanks again, appreciate it. But for now, I'm gonna get this home, have some fun. Check out all the links down in the description. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Leave me a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.